Yo, what's going on guys, Anders here, and today I'm gonna be doing a review of another tool that I use for digital art, the Intanctable drawing tablet from Parblo.
Or Pablo? Let's get started.
First, I have never seen a pen tablet that comes with as many accessories as this one. Inside the box you are getting the pen tablet itself, which by the way you can get it in black or lilac purple colors. The passive pen with its holder, 8 extra nibs with a removable tool, a drawing globe, one USB Type-C to Type-A breathable cable, one USB Type-A to Type-C adapter, one USB Type-A to micro USB adapter, a cloth, and of course the user manual and documentation along with some stickers. So as you can see, Parblo put a lot of effort in providing all the accessories that you need. But could that mean that they are just possibly trying to compensate for the pen tablet performance? Let's find out.
For that, let's begin with the physical features and the specs. The pen tablet is built with a full plastic frame that doesn't feel cheap thanks to the high quality plastic material and the texture that it has on the bottom, along with 6 rubber feet. On top of the tablet there is a groove to place the pen, and on the left side 8 customizable buttons plus a dial ring. The left side is also where you will connect the pen tablet to your computer with the USB Type-C provided. You can find this tablet in a small and medium sizes. The one that I got in the studio is the medium size, and it has a 10" by 6" work area, which is way bigger than the Wacom tablet that I was using before, so it's a big upgrade for me. The pen has 2 customizable buttons, a tilt angle up to ±60 degrees, 8192 level pressure sensibility, and 8 to 10 millimeters reading heights. Now physically it's a little bit too small for my personal taste. It doesn't have a rubber texture and the buttons are not elevated like the ones on the Wacom pens. I think that made it hard for me to get used to in the beginning. And yes, I tried to use the Wacom pen and it doesn't work on the Parblo pen tablet. Regardless, I'm very surprised at how responsive this pen is, especially when you are drawing. The pressure sensibility is on point. I'm not going to get into the USB adapters, but they are basically to connect the pen tablet to your phone or tablet if you have a design app on it. The software is very simple to set up and is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome, and Android devices. Here you can select the screen area where you want the pen tablet to be used. And on the pen you can adjust the pressure settings and the function buttons. You can also customize all the buttons on the pen tablet and pen and add shortcuts, open apps, and even set your favorite website. The software also allows you to update the firmware of the pen tablet. And lastly, you can save your personal profile and export it. So no matter where you are, you can bring your settings with you and import it into a new system. I put this tablet to the test with my most recent digital art, which was a bit of risk because it is a new pen tablet and this was my first collaboration with Magic the Gathering Taiwan. Which by the way, if you didn't watch the video, you can find the link in the description below. And like I said in the beginning of the video, it was kind of hard to get used to the pen because of its size and flat buttons. Another thing that I would have liked is to have a rubber surface on the pen like the one on the Wacom. This will give better stability while using it. Anyways, after a few days of using the Parblo pen tablet, I was set and working smoothly. Especially because of the work area, which again, it was a big upgrade for me. One of the things that I really like is that in terms of functionality, I didn't have any issue with the software. In fact, it's very straightforward to use, and most importantly, especially for me as a Mac user, it doesn't crash at all, which is a thing that I hate from my Wacom pen tablet. I even needed to purchase a third-party software to make it work, because the support and drivers of Wacom just suck and never really work. But yeah, overall, if you are searching for your first pen tablet and you want something that is on price, reliable, and won't let you down, I recommend you the Intanctable drawing tablet from Parblo.
And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe, and smash that notifications bell. On that way you won't miss any of our future videos and content. This is Anders. See you next time.